Hi guys, Christmas is coming and I want to share with you all how I make the fruit cake with herbal dried fruits which are commonly used in Chinese medicines. Now let's see what are the ingredients. I use this 3 4 cup of goji berries and then half cup of red dates which I already removed the seeds and cut into small pieces, and dried longan which I already soaked and cut into small pieces as well, and then these sunflower seeds and chopped walnuts. Now let's start with boiling the dried herbal fruits first. I put into the pan these 2 tablespoons of butter, and then add in 2 tablespoons of molasses and 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more if you want sweeter, you want the taste more sweet. And here I add a little tiny of cinnamon stick to make it more fragrant. Then you add in the dried herbal fruits. And add about 80 ml of water. And we're going to simmer this for about 4 to 5 minutes in medium heat. Now it's done already. Let's remove the cinnamon stick and let it cool down for a while. Now let's prepare the batter. Take 2 eggs and beat it. Now let's add in the nuts and seeds first. Then let's add Chinese 5 spices or Fen for about 1 teaspoon, and then half teaspoon of salt and baking powder for about 1 teaspoon. Mix them all. Then add the flour, about 110 grams. And then last add in the eggs. The smell is very nice already. Here I use a small baking pan and grease it with oil or butter. Then add the parchment paper at the bottom. Then pour in all the batter. You need to double up the recipe if you are using a bigger pan. Make sure all the batter are distributed well. Then put into the preheated oven and bake it for about 50 minutes at 170 degrees. After 50 minutes, you can use the toothpick or cake taster like mine here to check if the cake all are cooked. And then I smear some of butter on top to make it more moist and to look nicer. Voila, it's done. Now let's see the inside. Here how it looks like, full of dried fruits and nuts. It smells so nice and tastes very yummy. Even my family members thought that I'm using raisins, but this one definitely less sweet and I think will be much more healthier. I hope you enjoyed this video. Try to make one at home. Merry Christmas everyone and have an awesome holiday. See you in the next one.